Hi, hello, Dajahao. I'm Sora and
Emma.
we are
Here. Emma Sora.
channel.
Yes. And today is our talk about how to make good relationship with the girlfriend or boyfriend, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here we go.
Here we go.
Who started?
You.
Me? No, you.
What?
Boys first.
No, you.
No, you.
No, lady first.
No,
Emma,
lady.
you.
You're a lady, right?
Okay, I'm ready. Okay. So I wanna share about the 3 tips. Yeah, for the how to maintain a good relationship with their girlfriends. Yeah. So according to the TED Talk, yeah, reference is the TED Talk, yeah, background resource. Then the 3 tip is first is and ah
Ah?
her first tip is listening carefully. Then second tips is no uh second tips is
Someone's memory.
understand. I don't know, praising the behavior, yeah, praising the details. And the third tips is eh listening, no dancing, to sing, no singing.
Nani?
Quiet.
You just told me
Jogging.
just a few minutes ago. Someone
Yeah.
said, I remember it, and this time you forgot. Uh-oh. Oh.
The third point is sharing the experience. Okay. The first one is listen carefully. It's crucial. Yeah, closer. Sometimes, yeah, due to the TED speaker, yeah, so girls tend to share their emotion compared to the men. Yeah, so that's why listening the words my girlfriend say is important. Yeah, for keep the good relationship. Yeah, I'm also good at this one.
Oh,
So,
really?
good boy. Yeah, good boyfriend. And
I
the second
didn't
one is
know.
okay. Listen. Okay, listen first. Okay. The second one is the praising. Yeah, I always praise you, right? This specifically, like not only appearance. Of course, I know your appearance is so amazing, so cute, so beautiful, but inside is more special, right? So yeah, you are so smart. Then you never run away from the things you have to do. Yeah, it's a difference from me. Yeah, then you're so attractive. Yeah, cute, talking too much, just and crazy. Yeah. And the third point is sharing experience. Yeah, yes, we can share the now we are being like a long relationship, so we cannot see each other. Yeah, in person, in person. Yeah, better. Yeah, due to the thanks of this IT tech, yeah, we can communicate, we can share the experience, and this YouTube as well. It's a one way for us to make the memory, yeah, by the social network, yeah, right. So this is, I think, in terms of the 3 tips, I'm super good boyfriend. Thank you. This is my conclusion.
Okay, I have some questions and a feedback, okay? It's good?
Yeah, why no?
Okay, about the 3 tips. What do you think? Which one you are not good at?
No, I think in terms of the 3 tips, yeah, I can do my best for them. All of the things, right? I'm confident. Thank you.
You need to say about your weakness.
Weakness?
In our relationship. Ah, お母さん。
Emmaちゃん。
Yeah,
Emma-san.
she's today's special guest. Yay!
Bye bye.
I think sometimes I had a time there I can know to listen carefully. Yeah, honestly.
Mm. Can you give some
Mm.
example?
Like during their conversation. Yeah, I'm so morning person. I need to sleep early than you. Yeah, then from Macau to Japan, we have the like time difference 1 hour. Yeah, so that's why sometimes I slept so early without the conversation. Then I made you so sad. I understand.
Not only this one, you always ignore me sometimes.
How? No, I never ignore you.
No, you did in June.
Yeah, so sometimes the things I'm interested in, yeah.
Yeah, so I wanna complain something about it because in June, Sora just start the YouTube channel and put, I can say, 100% attention to the YouTube and always ignore me, ignore my negative emotion, just to say, Emma, I will go have party with my friends, have a karaoke with my friend, I need to shoot a video with my friend, or something, right?
How is it now currently? Is better?
Yeah, because I scored you.
Yeah, better.
Grow up.
Right? Yeah, grow up. Yeah. So I think we shouldn't need to focus on the past. We should focus on the gap between the current and before, right? And you said I grow up, so that means I'm a good boyfriend. Yeah. Logically.
No, just currently you are good boyfriend, but we cannot predict the future, right? Maybe you'll change or not, we know, right?
So what?
So I say currently. So you need to say I'm good boyfriend currently.
Yeah.
You
You're
need
true.
to
Yeah, I'm a good
specify your
boyfriend
time, okay?
currently. Yeah.
Yeah, good. And okay. Do you think you share everything and anything to Emma?
Yes, why not?
Did you?
Yeah. Yes, everything, anything I share.
Really?
Yeah, better, No. Share the experience means we should experience the same thing together, okay? The TED speaker say that, yeah. No individual experience, right? Okay?
Oh, really?
Yes, I've listened. Yeah, I can send you the link. Yeah.
Okay, it's my turn, right?
Your turn.
Yeah, I'm a good student than Sora, so I take the notes based on the TikTok. Oh no, not TikTok, the TED I listening.
TikTok, okay, fine.
No, not TikTok! TED! YouTube.